Hey everyone, welcome to an unboxing video. Alright, so today we got here is a Star Wars Lego, and then here's the side. This is what it comes with. As you can see, that's where it comes with all the pieces. And then you got down here is some items to it as well, so that's pretty cool. And then this is what the front of the box looks like. Alright, and then here is the back of the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back. It looks pretty neat. Yeah, this is there's I guess you could say Baby Yoda right there. And you got some cool, Star Wars stuff here to build, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little, Star Wars item. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it and see what it's like. Alright. Okay, so I got it right here. Now keep in mind, this is my first unboxing video for Legos, okay? Alright, so what we got? Here we go. Alright, so let me see here. So here's a piece set number 1. That's pretty neat. Okay, and here's piece set number 2. So that's pretty cool. Piece set number 2. And then you got piece set number 3. So yeah, that's the Lego set for you. And then I also got here is a manual. Comes with a manual. So this is pretty cool. It shows everything what's inside. Just so you know, I'm not building it today because I let my brother do it all because he's into Legos and he's letting me do all these unboxing videos. So that's nice of him. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is going to be a pretty cool unboxing video today. I hope you guys like it. So, anyways, yeah, this is pretty cool. So this is the front of the manual, and then here's the back of the manual. I hope you can see it, okay? So, there you go. So, that's the Star Wars Lego collection there for you. So, anyways, that's it today in this unboxing video, and we'll say thank you for watching.